How to convert single and multiple page images to one PDF file. For multiple page PDF, click on the Start button and select the Photos app from the menu. Once the Photos app is open, select the images you want to include in your multiple page PDF. After selecting the images, right-click on any of them and choose Print or press Ctrl P as a shortcut. In the Print dialog box, you'll see an indication of the number of images. For example, 1 out of 6, showing that you have 6 images selected for a single PDF file. Only one will appear in the preview. Ensure that Microsoft Print to PDF is selected as your printer. Adjust the settings as needed. Page orientation. You can select either landscape or portrait. We will leave it in the landscape. Paper size. Options include letters, A4, A3, etc. We will keep it in letter size. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for the latest tutorials. Page margin. Choose between normal or uniform. We will maintain the normal settings. For the last setting, ensure the fill page is selected and click on Print. When the Save Print Output As dialog box appears, choose a location to save the file. Enter your design name and ensure the File tab is set to PDF by default. Then click on Save. For single page PDF, select a single image. Right-click on it and choose Print. Or you can press Ctrl P as an alternative. In the Print dialog box, you will see 1 out of 1, indicating that you have one image for a single PDF file. Change the paper size to A4. Based on the paper size, set the orientation to portrait to match the image. Keep the rest of the settings as they are and click Print. When the Save Print Output As dialog box appears, choose a location to save the file. Enter your design name and ensure the file type is set to PDF by default. Then click on Save. It is now time to preview both the single page and the multiple page PDFs. Let's double click the multiple page PDF to take a look. As you can see, it looks good. Now double click the single page PDF. It also looks good. That's it. For more tips and tricks, follow TechTricksGh. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for the latest tutorials.